Hello everybody at YouTube. We went to IKEA yesterday and we're going to do a haul on it. So we got a magnetic thing for my chef knives. And we got a couple of these. One's going to be for noodles and the other one's going to be for cereal. Thought those were cool. And this is for my office at work. Picture frame to put my kids' pictures in. I think that was like $5. And then we got, we got this wire with some clips to put our daughter's little pictures, little Polaroid pictures that she does. Thought that was cool. Cool way to display your pictures. And then we got some plastic bowls and cups for the kids. These are cool and they're pretty sturdy. Also some bowls for the kids, pretty sturdy too. And then for the house we got some more spoons, spatulas, little tongs, a noodle, scooper ooper duper thing, and a little ladle, little lady-hoo. 99 cents each. Thought that was pretty good, and they're pretty hefty too. That's cool. And we got potato peeler and some measuring spoons. We got some light boobs. I think these are a couple bucks for the kids' lights.
I think they were 99 cents.
About $1.99, something like that. And then you got some clips for your bags, for your potato chip bags and stuff like that. And these are cubes, little storage cubes for the kids' dressers and closet. More organized. And I got a cutting board. One of these wooden cutting boards for a while. We also got the cleaner for your cutting board. Oh yeah, man. Then you got a crap ton of straws. I think these are like 99 cents.
Yeah.
For all these straws, for 100 straws. I thought that was pretty awesome. These are going to be for cereal. I'm sorry, my bad. The other ones are for whatever the wife wants them to be for. Then we got some measuring cups, because every time we buy measuring cups, our kids lose them. Should have bought another set too. Then we got these for the laundry. We got 3 of these for better organization for your laundry. Got those pretty cool. I think those are about $9 a piece.
No, they're $5.99.
$5.99. See, that's why my wife is helping me with this video, because she knows it. And I think that is it on the IKEA haul. Catch the next video, which is going to be on a blender that we just bought. We just bought a blender. It was the Ninja Professional blender. Got it for a really good steal. It was like $54, and it was originally like $110. So look out for that video. You guys have an awesome day. Bye. Just don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below for anything, any other videos you guys would like to see. Catch you all later.